bless you and keep you. Make His face shine upon you. Be gracious to you. The Lord turn His face toward you and give peace. Generations and your family and your children and their children and their children. Let His favor be upon you and 1,000 generations and your family and their children and their children and their children. Let His presence go before you and behind you and beside you. All around you and within you, He is with you. He is with you in the morning, in the evening, in your coming and going, in your weeping and rejoicing. He is for you. 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 Make His face shine upon you, be gracious to you, the Lord turn His face toward you.